is James Larsen, and I'm the general manager and part owner of Husby's Food and Spirit Sister Bay. I think a lot of people view Husby's, even if they're not from here, as, like their local bar or their local restaurant, their local hangout. It's the type of food that I think people expect when they come to a pub, but, sometimes they get surprised that we do offer, we have excellent salads, homemade soups. The whitefish that we get typically is fresh, never frozen, fresh ingredients, makes good food. Okay, so the Vaquero Burger, Vaquero in Spanish means cowboy, so kind of a spicy burger. We get a lot of interesting pronunciations when people try to order this one, which is always fun. But yeah, you've got a hand-pattied hamburger that we cook to temperature. We start it on the grill and then finish the burger on the flat top it with jalapenos and pepper jack cheese. We use a brioche roll, and then that bun gets chipotle mayo and an onion ring topper on top of the burger. So, I just think it's a great burger. It's got a little bit of everything. The second sandwich is kind of our Cajun seasoned grilled piece of whitefish that then goes on top of dark rye with melted Swiss cheese in a traditional Reuben sandwich, other than the fact that the coleslaw takes the place of, sauerkraut. There you have the Cajun Whitefish Ruben. It's become very popular. A third would be the cherry chicken salad. Most of our salads, other than the Caesar, we use a mix of romaine and spring mix. And then the cherry chicken salad, we actually marinate the chicken breast in cherry juice and cherry bourbon marinade. And then that is seared on the flat top, diced up on top of the salad, and then accompanied by dried cherries, blue cheese crumbles, pecans, and also a cherry vinaigrette.